are Trekka, and we're stoked to introduce the Trekka Element Jacket. Yes, there are tons of puffy jackets out there, but ours is fire, spark, and ember resistant, and designed for all the elements in the great outdoors. We've worn our fair share of technical jackets. Some have been great against bitter cold, others have gotten us through torrential downpours, and some have climbed mountains with us. But not a single one could stand up to a campfire. One night around a strong fire was enough to leave the best puffy jacket with burn holes and insulation sticking out. The campfire should be the last place you're concerned about whether your gear is going to hold up. But unfortunately, that's the case with every top-tier jacket out there. The Trekka Element makes the campfire what it ought to be. Worry-free. You don't have to think about how close you are to the fire or the change in wind direction. You can rest easy and enjoy this moment more than ever before. We designed it with performance and comfort in mind. It'll get you through whatever stands between you and your campsite. It's got hydrophobic insulation that keeps you warm, even when wet. The insulation is made from 100% recycled post-consumer water bottles, reducing trash in our landfills and helping keep the great outdoors beautiful. Unlike standard baffle construction, where every seam creates a cold spot, we use large insulation panels and minimal stitching to create uniform insulation, keeping heat in and cold spots out. The outer fabric is not only fire resistant, but it's waterproof, windproof, abrasion resistant, highly breathable, and more. The waist pockets are lined with soft microfleece to keep your hands comfy and warm. The dual chest pockets keep your essentials close at hand, and the 4 interior pockets offer plenty of additional storage. In case you weren't counting, that's 8 pockets. We've designed men's and women's versions of the Trekka Element, both with a tailored fit that still has plenty of room for movement and additional layers. Our logo is subtle and hidden. We don't want to turn you into a walking billboard. The Element was made to complement you, not our brand. We're proud to say that we've done everything we can to design the best outdoor jacket in the world, the only one that can stand up to all the elements. It performs great, it feels great, and it looks great too. Please help make this jacket a reality. Make it yours. Back us today and help us reach our goal. Let everyone you've ever shared a campfire with know about it too. Here's to making history and many more memories around campfires.